Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look at the board and tell me which square has the last shape in our pattern? Can you see it? What shape do you see? The last one that we drew on our calendar. And what color is it? Did you guess the purple triangle? That's right. The last shape for our pattern, the last shape on the board, that is the last day that we did. So yesterday was the purple triangle, which was Sunday, January 24th, 2021. So this was yesterday, and to find out what today is, we're going to move to the next square to the right. So this was yesterday, and this is today. What do we need to put here that's next in our pattern? Let's color in our pattern for today so that as we're going through the calendar, we know which one is today. What do you think comes next in our pattern? Let's hear your guess. And then let's go back to the beginning and let's say all of our pattern together and see if we're correct. Ready? Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. Ooh, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle. Good work. That was a lot to say in one section. So let's make an orange circle. We'll color it in to mark off today. Are you coloring it in on your calendar? Or maybe a piece of paper? Maybe you're Xing off your day, or maybe you're just remembering it in your head. All of those are okay. What else do we need to put into our square so that it looks like the other ones? What else do we need in our square to tell us the date? What's missing? What's in this square that's not in this square? Did you guess a number? That's right, we need to put a number in here. And how do we figure out which number goes here? If yesterday was 24, what do you think today is? What comes after 24 when we're counting? Let's count together all the way from the beginning and see if you guessed correctly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you guess 25? Good trying. A 25 is a 2 and a 5 beside each other. So it's 2 digits. A 2 and a 5, that makes 25 when they're beside each other. So today is the 25th, because when we put our numbers into the calendar, we add a little sound to the end. So for 25, we say 25th, 25th. So today is the 25th. Will you count backwards with me? It's okay if you don't know all your numbers yet. We'll practice together. Are you ready? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! So today is the 25th. Let's go up to the top. Yesterday was Sunday, and today is Monday. So let's put Monday into our sentence at the bottom. Do you remember how our sentence starts? With 2 words. Today is, and today starts with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence, and the first word in our sentence is always a capital. So today is Monday. So capital M, because Monday is the name of the month. So capital M-O-N-D-A-Y, and then we're going to put a comma. So today is Monday. That's right. So do you remember how many days of the week there are? That's right. There are 7 days in the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Monday, and next we need to do the month. Do you remember how many months are in the year? Let's count and see if your guess is correct. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's go back to the beginning and see if we can say the names of each month. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember which month is the month that we are in right now? The first month of the year, January. So we've got it up on our board here. Let's spell it together. Capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. January. Starts with a J, like jumping and jolly. So let's go back to our sentence and we say today is Monday, comma, and then we're going to put in January. So capital J, because January is the name of our month. Capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And then we're going to put in the number. So 25, comma, and then we're going to put in the year, which is 2021 or 2021. You can say it whichever way you like. So we'll put a 2021, period. 2021. So let's say the whole sentence together. Do you remember what the commas are for? They're for us to pause just for 1 second in our sentence before we say the next word. And the period at the end tells us that our sentence is done. So let's start at the beginning. Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021. Good job. Did you look outside to see what the weather was like before we started today? Sometimes we go outside before we start. Other times we might not. We might have just woke up and haven't gone outside yet. So I peeked out my window and it's doing something outside that's very fun. Last couple days we had some rain. Do you remember it was raining here? And it's very unusual for us to rain in the winter, but it's not raining today. Is it raining where you are today? Do you have some clouds and some water is falling from the sky, making puddles maybe? What about windy? Is it windy where you are? It's not windy where I am today. What about sunny? Is the sun shining where you are? The sun's not shining here today. I see lots of clouds in the sky and I don't see the sun at all. Then we have partly cloudy, partly sunny, but I don't see the sun at all. So this one doesn't work for me either. Does it work for you? Then we have snowy, and you know what? It is snowy. It is cloudy here because we've got clouds everywhere and no sun, but the snow is also following from the sky. So we're having a snowy day. So let's put snowy on our weather chart board. And will you help me find it in our weather chart? I'm looking for snowy. So our first one is a sun, so that's sunny, and then a cloud, but there's no snow falling, so that's not what we're looking for. What about a cloud with some raindrops? Nope, not raining. A snowflake, because it's snowing today. So that's where we're going to put our tally mark. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger up to the sky and strike it down. That's right. Do it with me as we're not doing it that direction today because look at how many tally marks are already there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tally marks already. So today is a special day because we are going to put a slash through those 4 tally marks to make it a 5. So you can take your finger up here and slash it on a diagonal. Can you try that? Put your finger way up here and slash it on a diagonal. Let's do it together. Ready? Slash through our 4. So that means 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we've got 5 snowy days so far in January. So now we're going to put our day into our agenda. And I'll pick up a crayon here, and it is Monday, so we're going to put a capital M, O, N, D, A, Y, comma, capital J for January, because it's the name of our month, A, N, U, A, R, Y. And do you remember what day I said it was today? What number did we get to? Let's peek on the calendar. 25, that's right. So we'll put a 2 and a 5 and then a comma, and we ran out of room, so we're going to go down here to do our year. 2021, 2021. And then I'm going to practice making my letters all the way up to 25 because it's the 25th today. So let's practice so we get really good at making our letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to this side. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I ran out of room again, so I'm going to come down and go over to this side. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. That was a lot of numbers. Good work. Did you do it with me on your own piece of paper? Let's do our, oh, I don't want a green one. I would like a blue one. Our weather for the day is snowy. So make a cloud and I will just make some snowflakes. This looks a little different than I did the other day. The other day I just made a snowflake. So these round things are my snowflake. And because it is snowing so gently and so nicely, I'm going to go for a walk. Do you like to go for a walk in the snow? Let's put my head here and then I need some legs and some arms. And I'm going to wear my black jacket today and my black snow pants. So I'll color that in. Do you have snow pants that you wear outside? Then I have gray boots. So I will color my gray boots. What color are your boots at home? Do you have winter boots? You wouldn't need winter boots if there's no snow at where you live. But you might have rubber boots. Oh, our January fell down. Let's stick that back up. We'll see if it will stay for the rest of our video. And then I have blue mittens today, and mittens keep our hands and our fingers warm, and it allows us to play with the snow. We can pick up the snow and make snowballs or roll it into a snowman or make a fort like we did the other day. And I'm going to put a winter hat on. I call it a toque. And now I can go outside for my walk. I'm going to put my name at the bottom because I want to practice every day. And then everybody knows that I drew this picture. So it's a capital C because it's my name. E-L-Y-N-N-E. Now, if you don't know how to do all your letters yet, or you don't know how to spell Monday in January, you can practice by making letters. And today we're going to practice making an R. Did you try it with us yesterday? Put your finger up to the sky and strike down one line, just like a tally mark, down. Then go back up to the top and make a little loop, a little bump out from the line, and then a line down. So we'll start at the top. If you have a paper, you can draw it with me, or you can just try it with your finger in the air. Go up to the top and go down to the line. Then go back up to the top and go around for a little bump, and then come down. That is an uppercase R or a big R. And this is a lowercase r or a little r or a small r. So we do half the size of the R, big R, and we're going to start here and strike down to the bottom there and then come almost to the top but not quite and do a little arch out. So big R is all the way down and then go round and come down. And the small r is a little line with an arch on top. If you practice making one letter every day, eventually you will be able to make all the letters that you need to make words. And then you can make sentences and write letters and all kinds of things. Notes to your family. So, yesterday I was pretty happy. How are you feeling today? Do you feel the same as you did yesterday? I'm feeling pretty happy. I think I might be a little bit more than happy because it's snowing outside, and snowing is making me really excited. So I've got a couple feeling faces here. And what do you think? Do you think I'm calm and relaxed today? Maybe just content and easygoing? Sounds like a little bit calm. I don't think I'm that calm. I think I'm a little bit more excited. What about sad? Are you sad today? I don't think I'm sad today. Nothing sad happened to me today, and I'm still pretty excited about going outside for a walk. What about angry? Are you angry today? What about grouchy? Sometimes we wake up and we're just grouchy and we don't want to do anything or talk to anybody. We just feel kind of grouchy, want to be alone. I think I'm okay. I don't feel grouchy today. And what about nervous, anxious? What do you think? I don't feel very nervous today, but I am excited. And this is my happy face, which also is my excited face. So I'm going to have to make a different face, I think, because this one doesn't quite show how excited I am, but I am happy. So I'm going to put that back on the board here. And today, to be kind, I'm going to go for a walk and I'm going to wave to everybody that I see. Lots of people are wearing masks right now, or they might walk far away from us. So if I wave, they know that I'm saying hello. And they don't need to hear me and they don't need to see my lips. They can just see my hand waving. And it's kind of like saying, hi, how are you? I hope you have a good day. And sometimes they will even wave back, which is really nice. Do you think you could do that today? Even if you don't go outside, you could wave through a window. If you see a neighbor walking down the street, just a little way to say hi. So I hope you can find something kind to do today, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.